Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna do a full face using drugstore products, aka this face. If you want to find out how I got this look on a budget, then keep on watching. So it's probably really loud in here because I have like 10 fans going because it's hot as fuck here and I'm dying. So I just put lotion on my face. I put CeraVe lotion. This, it's from Walmart. I'm just gonna throw my hair up so I can start my foundation. And then I'm gonna put this little headband on it because I just got my roots done. Shout out to Steven, my hair looks great. So there's this funny little thing on my head. So I'm gonna start with the Maybelline Master Prime primer and base, blur and perfect or whatever. Put this on my face. For foundation, I'm gonna use the Maybelline 24 Hour Super Stay foundation in the color Sun Beige. I'm just gonna like squirt it on my face. And then take my beauty blender, which I just got wet, and blend that in. Alright, and then I'm gonna contour, and I use this Wet n Wild contour stick in the color Call Me Maple. So put it on my cheekbones, on my forehead, and right down my nose. And I'm going to take the flat end of my beauty blender and blend that in. And then for my nose, I just pinch it and then make it like, you know, thin, and then I go straight down my nose. Okay, that looks like shit, but I'm just going to blend that all in because that didn't turn out very well. Now I'm gonna use concealer, and I have the Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline, and the color I have is Ivory. I'm gonna put it under my eyes. And then I'm gonna use a different beauty blender and blend that in. Then I'm going to go back to my other beauty blender and just like keep blending. Okay, and then I'm going to take Airspun Loose Powder. The color I have is Naturally Nude. The same beauty blender I used for the concealer, and I'm just going to put it pretty much everywhere that I put the concealer. Now I'm going to move on to my bronzer, and for my bronzer I'm using Milani. So wipe it on my cheeks and my forehead. Then I'm just going to blend that all. Okay, I need another one of these, but this is NYX lip liner in Suede Los Angeles. And then I'm going to take this NYX Intense Butter Gloss in Cookie Butter. What should I do next? I'm going to do my eyeshadow. L'Oreal Paris Studio Secrets eyeshadow. I don't know, it comes in this little circle. And it has like a chrome moment going on in there. Like it's like copper and brown. Like, oh, I'm going to, I don't even know, I'm going to take the coppery one, like this one, and just put it on my crease. Okay. Now I'm going to use this CoverGirl brow and eye maker Y'all, I don't even know. I usually use Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Pot, but obviously for sake of this video, I'm trying to do all drugstore. And so I just found this. I don't know anything about this. I just know that it's CoverGirl, and it is an eyebrow crayon in soft brown. I'm going to go ahead and fill in my eyebrows with it. I'm not gonna go too ham with that eyebrow pencil because I am just not good at using eyebrow pencils. Now for mascara, I'm gonna use this Define a Lash. Like all the words are gone, but you know, Define a Lash. And then also the Voluminous Curved Brush by L'Oreal. I'm gonna use this one first actually. And then I'm going to use the Define a Lash over top of that. I'm gonna let that dry a little bit so I can use a Q-tip and like get the excess mascara off. Or just see if it's dry enough now. I am not patient. I have lipstick on my teeth that is cute. Okay, now I have these eyelashes. I got them from Target. I don't remember exactly what they were called, but I think I have a picture of them in my camera roll, so if I do, I'll like put it somewhere. Now I have this black Duo Lash Glue. I like black lash glue because clear lash glue, like I know it's supposed to like dry clear, but it never does for me for some reason, and you can just like see the like disgusting mess on my lids, so I just use black because it blends in with my eyelashes. Do you feel me? I use tweezers. I'm gonna paint on the glue. Give it a second to dry. So I didn't put highlighter on because I don't have any drugstore highlighter besides this NYX liquid highlighter, but I fucking hate liquid highlighters. Like, ugh. I don't want to put it on because I don't want to ruin my makeup, but like for the sake of the video, I should put it on. I don't know. Whenever I use liquid highlighters, it literally just like takes off my foundation and it looks like shit. I don't know. I'm like incapable of doing it. I'm not that great at putting eyelashes on, but I do what I can, you know? We can't all be professionals. He was a skater boy. She said, see you later, boy. He wasn't gonna do that for her. I am craving a Reese's so bad. Okay, lashes are on. These are honestly pretty good lashes for being lashes from Target. I don't know if you can see them that well in the camera, but yeah. Pretty good drugstore lashes. Okay, now, I'm gonna use this, although I really don't want to, the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator, whatever. I'm just gonna put it on my finger. Oh, I'm scared. And I'm gonna put it on the tip of my nose and on the bridge. Okay, that didn't turn out that bad. No. I'm gonna try to put it on my cheek. And I'm just kind of I'm like just dabbing it on, as you can see. Okay. This didn't ruin my makeup like it did last time. Last time it like completely ruined my makeup. This time, it's not that bad. Okay, I like can't see this side of my face. I don't know, my mirror and my lighting is like not adding up for this side of my face. Okay, I'm actually gonna add more. I'm feeling risky. Ooh. Okay. And put some more on my nose because that's my favorite place. Okay, well I think that's pretty much gonna do it. I used to have infallible setting spray, but I don't have it anymore. I think I threw it away. But yeah, so this was my full face using drugstore products. So hope you guys liked it. Like and subscribe and do that fun stuff, girl. Okay, bye.